My first one, let's check it out. Kaido House Mini GT. This is the Datsun Kaido 510 Wagon Hanami version 3. So this is the first one I chose to purchase. I found this on eBay. Got it for about $24 shipped. It is sealed and looks perfect. There's a little hologram there. All right, let's crack this open. I'm honestly so excited to see what this is like. A huge fan of Datsun cars, Z cars. Love the Datsun trucks, 510s. All right, let's see if this sucker opens up easily. It just might not. All right, we got the we got the shrink wrap off. Very cool box, matching the design of the car. All right, looks like we got little stickers here. Pop these off. All right, let's open this up and look at this cool design. Car culture for all scales. There it is. Look at that. That's very cool. Wow, check out the wheels. Very impressive. Wide body. Gotta say, this looks very cool. Now check that out. Purple Kaido House Mini GT. Made in China. Look at that interior detail. Those wheels look pretty cool with the tires. What do you guys think? This is my first one. And you know what? I think I'm probably going to get a couple more of these. This looks very cool. I did see some 240Zs that look pretty cool. There was a police one that's coming out soon. For 24 bucks, I think this is very cool. Nice attention to detail. All right. Well, to the eye, it looks good. I don't know how it looks on the screen there. If you're watching this on a big screen, you might see little flaws and stuff, but this looks great to the eye. I don't see any flaws. Very cool. All right, I'm going to take the phone off the stand. Let's see what this looks like rolling around. All right, guys, what do you think? Drop a comment. Let me know if you found this one. Tell me which is your favorite 510 from these series. I did see this green one that looked really cool. I think I'm going to try to get the green one. Not sure what version that was, but it's like a jade green. But this is so cool. Look at that. Look at that. I don't think I have any other 510s to compare it with. So this is definitely on par for the price range. If you want to compare it to size-wise, so that's a premium. And then if you want to look at the Elite 64, yeah, if you haven't noticed, I'm definitely a wagon guy. There's another one to compare. I think the JDM takes the cake. Look at that. So sweet. All right, thanks for watching, guys.